Hi, my name is Vas and welcome to another video. Today in this video I will gonna unbox the iPhone 16 Pro and we're gonna check what's inside the box and also the first impression. So let's have a look what's inside the box. Obviously it should be the phone itself and hopefully the charger as well. It's a really small box. As usual, the quality of the box is as usual it's a good quality. And it's same size, same box as other Apple products, pretty much the same as DJI products as well. And let's have a look what's inside the box. Cool, so now we're gonna open the box and see what's inside the box. There you go, that's the phone itself, that's the color as well. It's pretty standard, it's not massive phone because it's not Pro Max. They got screen protection as well. I really love the color, it's like a gold color. So we're gonna leave this one on the side here. And also this is the charger with the pin, so you can put your SIM card as well. That's the documentations and the warranty as well, which you can find inside. Charger as usual, and the phone itself. Now let's have a look at the phone itself. So we're gonna peel this one off. You can see it's a really nice color as well. Looks really premium quality. And now we're gonna try to switch it on this iPhone 16 Pro. That's it, Apple logo. It's loading, is the same, pretty much the same design as 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. I like this color at the back and looks really good on the sides. The camera looks really good, in a good shape, and here you go, swipe to start. So that's pretty much what you can find in the box of iPhone 16 Pro. So that's pretty much what you can find on your iPhone 16 Pro box. It's a really short video. Thanks a lot for watching. If you have any questions, any comments, ask below in the comments. Feel free to subscribe my channel, thumbs up as well. And we're gonna make another video about this 16 Pro and 15 Pro Max to see the biggest difference between them two. For now, this is like a short video, what you can find in the box of iPhone 16 Pro. And that's pretty much what you can find. Is the phone itself, is a cable, charger, and also the warranty and documentation. That's pretty much it. And yeah, thanks a lot for watching. I'm gonna see you in the next video.